love you too. Alright. Daghan kayong salamat guys. Thank you so much. That was my first song. That's an opium song from Lanim Salucha. And this time, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Nessie Diaz. I am a Cebuana. And this next song that I am gonna be singing is purely a Cebuano song. So, sinong mga Cebuano here? For sure you know the song, or even if you're not Cebuano, for sure you know the song. The song is Pero Atikra. You know the song? All right, so it so happened that the singer of this song is also my friend. So, Jackie Chang, thank you so much for this song. This is a very beautiful song. Credits to you and the composer and the staff. But yeah, here's the song, Pero Atikra. Magkatawa kong maghuna-huna, nganong naglisod kung move on mo sa una. Di palimtanon man yun unta ko, ambot og naon sa to, igyot ko kalimot ni mo. Apan karon na bag-o na, ballpen man gani mawala, feelings bagahan. Diri na lang ko kutob, diri na lang ko taman, dili na ko mogokon sa atang gusto mo dagan. Kay kung diga-digaw, wala tay buksanay, ay na lang, ay na ko ati ka. Pero ati ka, ha ati ka, ha ati ka, ha ati ka. Move on, murag uyab, ambot ning dughan ko, pataka lagpasagan. Nganong mang maglisod ko og buhi, ngawa man ta ko guniti, pugisat ko be, unta karon ako nakatuon na, ngawa gyud ko'y maani, ning gugmang hatag bawi. Diri na lang ko kutob, diri na lang ko taman, dili na ko mogokon sa atang gusto mo dagan. Kay kung diga-digan, wala tay buksanay, ay na lang, ay na kog ati ka. On down, is Cebuano song. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for staying. No? So I know everyone's tired, but still, andito po kayo. Yung mga nagstay, thank you so much. Yeah. So, thank you. So just I like to promote myself, guys. You can search me on YouTube. I was in Tawag ng Tanghalan before, and recently sumabak po ako sa Singaling. That's in TV5. So I hope you can check out my video. Thank you. So for my last song, this is a very special song for all of you guys. This is an inspirational song. Actually, a special song because the one who sang is the idol of Miss Sarah Geronimo. And also the one who revived the song is Team Sarah from The Voice. So she is Morissette Amon, and this is her version of Shine. So I hope you like this one. Thank you. I was alone in the shadows, couldn't find my way. Then you walked in and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay. And you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine with the love that you've given me. It's true, I'm shining on all because of you. So watch me glow, a light shines within me. People ask me why, and I just smile and tell them you're the reason. I've cast the darkness aside, and you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens, shining through night. Shine, shine with the love that you've given. It's true, I'm shining on all because of you. Like a ray of light, cutting through the night, bright as the sun in the sky. See how I shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine with the love that you've given. It's true, I'm shining on all because of you. With the love that you've given, it's true, I'm shining on all because of. I'm shining on, oh, shining on all because of you. Thank you, Big Ma. Thank you so much.
gentlemen, please welcome back on stage Vile Motion Lightrix.
I just knew you'd be mine. You touched my hand and I knew that this was gonna be our time. I don't ever wanna lose this feeling. I don't wanna spend a moment apart. 'Cause you bring out the best in me, like no one else can do. That's why I'm by your side. That's why I love you.
Who stopped that beat? Bring it back, man.
Look, the jukebox is smoking. Stand back, everybody.
Incoming transmission.
Let's get to the real thing.
Everything I'm shuffling.
All right. If you're ready, go. If you're ready, go.
Pero makakaikabayan na naman.
Na! Bidyuhe ko!
Sige.
You are not allowed! Saksi mo, mapriso ka. Agay! Ah!
Sige.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Cái ngày nào thì nhà mình đóng con, từng ngày vô nhà thương, từng ngày vô nhà thương, từng ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang.
Bidyuhe ko!
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Yeah, yeah. Anh tính sao giờ để anh tính sao? Anh tính sao giờ để anh tính sao?
Mapriso ka.
Come on! Come on! Let's go! Hey!
Party people!
Punky KB. Round one. Fight!
At last, we are finally able to see who is the best. Come on, let's see how good you really are.
Thank you so much, Fire Motion Lightrix. Let's give them a big, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And what a way to celebrate tonight, to celebrate our fellowship night for sure. Everyone had fun and enjoyed everything that happened tonight. Don't you agree, Chris?
I did have fun, Jonathan. I got so excited, especially towards the last part where the huge jump over there.
Na-inspire ka, ganan po ka mulayat?
Dili.
Dili,
Okay
dili.
na ko. But it was such an honor nga makita gyud nako with my both eyes nga niland siya.
You were giving me the signs na,
Na-overwhelm ko.
OJ, let me jump off the stage.
Dreamers ba yata? We've always
Yeah.
dreamed of becoming CPAs. Dreamers ba yata?
We've
So,
always
dreamers
dreamed.
ako, ana.
So you will keep dreaming to jump off the stage one day.
In my dream. Just in my dream.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having us. It's truly been our pleasure to be your hosts for tonight. Special thanks to Attorney Rainier Mora and Ms. Sugar Sagarino. Daghan kayong salamat.
It truly is a great honor for us to be a part of your annual convention, and especially that you chose to spend it here in Cebu City. Really hoping, and this is an open invitation for everyone. We'll see you on January at Sinulog 2023. Daghang salamat. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Thank you so much, everyone. Salamat sa pag-abot. Gihigugma mo namong tanan. And of course, our festivities and celebration will continue tomorrow. Thank you very much. Take care on your way home. Daghan kayong salamat. Maayong gabi kanatong tanan ug mabuhi kanunay ang Pikpa. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chris and Jonathan. For our PICPA participants, please be reminded that tomorrow, our technical sessions will begin at 8:30 a.m. here at the main hall. Please be sure to be here before that time so you have more time to register and tap in. Tomorrow night, after the technical sessions, we still have a lineup of amazing guests. We have the Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 3 Grand Champion, Elaine Duran. Mrs. Continental Asia 2022, Michelle Solina. Miss Earth 2008, Carla Henry. Singer Chad Borja. And actor and model Paul Salas. Be sure to be here and watch out for